Good evening, everyone. My name is Elizabeth Pozziadlo, and today I'm going to show you how to use your do-it-yourself gingerbread and icing pack. I'm going to help to explain the directions. When you get this package, you'll get a card on the back that talks about the directions. You have a cone filled with powdered sugar, egg whites, and cream of tartar. What we're gonna do essentially is we're gonna add 1 1/2 teaspoon of water to this bag of powdered sugar. So we're going to start by removing the twist tie that's already on the bag. As I mentioned in the directions, a trick is to twist the top here a little bit and pull the powder away from the tip. Otherwise, it will not get mixed in with the water. Okay, and I kind of bend that over. And now I'm gonna open this up. Notice how it's not in the tip anymore. It's hard to do that. And it calls for 1.5 teaspoons. Okay, now we're gonna start with this. I'm gonna twist the top and twist the bottom here. And I'm gonna start to massage the bag, getting that water incorporated with the powdered sugar. And you know, just allow yourself to relax into this, because this may take a while. It's not gonna happen in a second. The more you mix it, the better mixed it is. The consistency will be the way you want it. Now, talking about consistency, when we're doing this, if you feel that you might need a little more water, you wanna just add a very little at a time, like maybe not even 1/2 teaspoon. This is actually looking pretty good here. Let's see. Oh, let's see, there's a little powdered sugar at the top now. And I am gonna add just a smidge more, because sometimes there isn't exactly the same amount of powdered sugar. We'll go ahead and keep mixing, keep mixing. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? Your children are gonna watch you do this, and your children can help you do this. You could twist the bag and hand it to your kids and let them help you smush it. Smushing, smushing. Looks good, it's looking really good. I'm gonna scoot it all to the tip now. You see how I'm kind of thumbing it down there? And that should be plenty of icing for just the one cookie that you bought this with. Okay. There we go. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist this. I'm gonna put the twist tie back on so it doesn't leak out. Okay, now this is very important. You're getting ready to cut the tip. This is what will regulate how much icing comes out. You don't want to start by cutting a big tip. You'll be in trouble. It'll come out in big gobs. We'll start small. And if it's not enough, let's see here now. That looks good. Just a tiny bit off the top. Do you see that? Barely took the tip off. Now let's see. And I went ahead and squirt a little on my counter to see the consistency. Now remember, this is not going to be perfect art with your kids. Just let them have fun and don't try to control them. It's not going to be the Picasso you might have hoped for. So here I go. I'm going to start by just outlining it. Yeah. I'm just outlining her to bring it out. And this icing is super delicious with this gingerbread. A little eyes, smile, maybe a collar, little skirt, whatever you like. And that is how you use your do-it-yourself icing bags. And look, I have plenty more. I could do another cookie if I wanted to. Just stick around, we'll do one more. Let's see, we'll do the boy. We'll go around. Wonderful consistency to this. Remember, if it's too thick, add just a smidge of water. You know, and if for some reason yours is too thin, you can always add powdered sugar, right? A couple buttons on here. Not my gumdrop buttons. Well, I don't have any gumdrops. Keep it simple, that's what I always say. Yay, come around and you can take some cute pictures. I think the boy came out better than the girl. Oh well, enjoy your do-it-yourself gingerbread cookies with icing.